This is our plane, the Twin Otter. We're leaving somewhere here in the Serengeti, going back down to Arusha, and then have to get about another 3 planes or so to get home. So here we go. I gotta put my mask on here. I gotta stop.
Everybody counted for.
The stone in the first place.
This is
That's how it
Tanzania.
comes out from the mine. This is the crystal. From this we cut and polish that, and that's what you end up with. So in terms of the stone, I have a stone literally from $25 to whatever you want it to be. Yes. So this is where it starts from. So when the stone is small, the color is quite light. Once the stone gets larger, they get to as dark as this. In Tanzania, because we wholesale here, we do not charge you differently for color and cut. The only thing which is different is the clarity. Whereupon you need this light, and this light will show you everything what you need to see. So what you do is take the stone, put the stone under the light, and what do you see? You see the three colors first: blue, purple, and the pink red. If you don't see the colors, understand you're not looking at Tanzanite. You must see them. The blue and the is unique to itself. If you wanted 2 for earrings, forget it. So because we sell to people who are buying to sell, they'll only buy these.
The shop where I got my magnets and everything in here, even though it says Spice Center, it had everything else in there too. So this is the cultural center, and they got all kinds of stuff in here. All kinds of artwork outside. Nice and cool today. Guy's got a big place here. He's got the animals playing cards or something, or sitting around over there doing different things. They're all there. We got all kind of little elephants. Got the warthogs here, which we saw. And there they are. The lion, the zebra, the giraffe, the elephant. And I believe that's the leopard back there. That's all of them. So there they are. Yeah, we got more stuff. We got a big gator up here. Got this big gator here. Right down his mouth there. His teeth. There he is in there. So big gator. All right, that's the cultural center. That's where we're at right now. We're going to go to lunch next. Okay.